Hey Plan Advisors Hawaii. What I'm going to show today is how to make a Facebook business page. So for all you folks that don't have a Facebook page just yet, go ahead and go to facebook.com and follow the tutorial to create an account. Once you have the account, then you can start with this video. Alright, so I'm going to head over to Facebook. So I'm going to make this much bigger so you guys folks can see. This is my personal Facebook page. So if once you're on here, to make a new page, a business page, so that it's kind of distinguished that you have a business page and you are actually on Facebook to do business, you will have to create a separate page. Facebook doesn't like if you start marketing through your own personal page. They could likely shut down your account. So head over to this button here, create, and you would create a page. Now we are a business, so let's get started. Okay, so now you just type in your page name. So you can type in whatever you want your page name to be. Maybe your name, Matt Go, Plan Advisors Hawaii. So most folks will type in that, Matt Ragudo, Plan Advisors Hawaii, or your own name, Plan Advisors Hawaii. And then the category, so we're in insurance, so you can type in insurance broker, or insurance agent, financial service, or whatever you think you particularly would like. I would choose insurance broker. And then you put the address, your business address. So if you folks are over at the King Street address and you want to put that, you can go ahead and put that. If you want to use our address here, just look at the business cards. The address is on there. So I'm going to just go ahead and type it in, 723 Umi Street, Suite C, Honolulu, Hawaii, 96819, and a phone number. Oops. Alright. And continue. Now once you set this up, it's kind of creating your page. Alright. So you can upload a profile picture. So if you have a picture of yourself saved on your computer, you can go ahead and upload that just by clicking here and choosing wherever your picture may be stored. I'm going to skip this step for this demonstration. And you can add another cover photo. This would be like maybe a picture of either you and your family, or maybe you in front of your place you work, or at the beach. Something more of the background of your page, or you can use the Plan Advisors Hawaii kind of logo. That's what I used. I'm going to skip that one. And boom, you have a Facebook business page. There is Matt Ragudo, Plan Advisors Hawaii. Down here you'll have all your friends that are on your personal side. You can send them invitations. So you can invite them. Click here, invite, and you can invite them to like your page. Now this is separating yourself, your personal page, from your business page. Alright, and I'll go into more details later on if you wanted to do something like creating ads. Posting content it's the same way you'd post any content you would on Facebook. You just go over to here, write a post, and you can write anything that is compliant. So just go ahead and do those. Hold off on that if you are unsure, but you can always post things that either we post on social media, or you can repost anything that you find that might be interesting to any of your Medicare members, or anybody that would have any interest in any of the product or services that you offer. I just ask that when you do this, kind of try to keep it compliant and try to keep it PG. Right? So that's it for this short video. If you have any questions or anything like that about creating your own website we'd be sure to help you. Just try to watch this video because this part's super simple. It takes less than 5 minutes to create it, and once you've created it, that's when the work kind of begins. So you create the page, and then further videos will kind of show you what to actually post on your page and how to kind of drive viewership, and that's where we're going. We're trying to get people to, they're on Facebook, to say, hey, where's our local, or where's the Hawaii agent located in Kaneohe, or in Waikiki, or out in Honolulu, Hawaii Kai, and they'd be able to find you. So that's what it is. It's mainly for that. This is not going to replace in any way the planetadvicehawaii.com. That's a separate thing. It's not going to replace your own personal URL web page. So don't think that this is like just one part, or just the one thing. It's just one part of what we're trying to do, is just build that digital presence. So have a good day.